Quixx, repair it yourself. Faded and rusted metal is not only unsightly, but also lowers your vehicle's value. But we can help. With Quixx Metal Repair Kit, you can repair damaged metal surfaces and refresh their look without going to an expensive workshop. Let's go. If rust is present, first wrap the sanding block with the provided sandpaper. Thoroughly sand the rusted area to leave a smooth finish. Now apply some Quixx metal polish into the cloth and polish the treated area. Simply wipe off when done. Perfect! Professional results on the cheap and the unbeatable feeling of having done it yourself. With the professional do-it-yourself solutions by Quixx. We support you regarding other repairs as well. Just see for yourself. Quixx, repair it yourself.